Over the years, the government has increased its capital expenditure to give a much needed thrust to infra spending. Like in earlier budgets, analysts expect the government to primarily focus on job creation and achieving investment driven growth in this budget too. With a focus on increasing capex, India's public infrastructure such as roads, water, metro, railways, defense, digital infra, and green technologies is likely to get a boost. The expansion of production linked incentive scheme beyond the existing sectors could bolster the manufacturing sector, say analysts.
If we take a cue from the Union Budget 2018-2019, we have seen that despite the elections ahead, the Government of India will continue to focus on growth. That is why we feel that in this budget also, the government is going to increase their allocation to capital expenditure. This means that infrastructure stocks, capital goods stocks, engineering stocks should do well. We also feel that to support the economic growth, there would be increase in the allocation for production-linked incentive schemes. That means that some segments of the manufacturing sector should do well. So these are some of the spaces that we believe will do well in the run up to the budget.
Technically, charts suggest a bullish outlook for sectors like capital goods, metals, real estate, and auto indices in the run up to budget 2023 and also later. Analysts forecast up to 10% upside for these sectors in the near term.
Some of the sector which are looking very attractive ahead of budget and can display some bullishness, that is banking and financial, metal and IT, power and oil and gas, and real estate. These all sectors are looking very promising, and we believe that these sectors can display some bullishness post budget event. Looking at the real estate space, real estate sector managed to give breakout of its long consolidation in current year. And looking at overall setup for real estate sector, we believe that some more upside we can see in the near term basis. So we are projecting around 4 to 5% upside momentum in the continuation of this pullback trade which we are witnessing since last couple of a month. From this those space, we like Prestige, Shobha, and DLF. Another space is looking attractive on the automobile space. Almost automobile index is trading near to its all-time high trajectory, though there was some corrective action in recent past. But overall, the most of the stocks are showing good buying interest, and we believe that automobile index can do well, and possibly 5 to 8% upside we can expect in coming months. Another sector, that is capital goods. Again, capital goods stocks are showing good buying interest since last couple of months. Stock like L&T, Siemens, ABB, most of the stocks, Cummins India, are showing good strength, and overall capital good index is trading almost near to its all-time high trajectory. So looking at overall scenario for capital goods, we believe that this index can continue its uptrend, as the technical setup is looking very bullish on the short to medium term perspective also. So capital goods can be a sector where we can expect 4 to 5% upside in the continuation of uptrend. Metal is also looking positive after a corrective action. Since last 2 3 months, we are seeing significant buying action from the lower level in the metal space, and most of the metal stocks have recovered and almost now trading above their 200-day DMA. So which is also adding up the bullishness in the near term basis. And looking at the metal space, so we believe that 8 to 10% upside we can expect in the metal space going forward. So metal space is also looking promising ahead of budget.
So far this financial year, sectoral indices like the S&P BSE Capital Goods, BSE Auto, and BSE Bank have surged up to 24%. However, the BSE Realty and BSE Metal indices have dropped up to 10% during the same period. By comparison, the BSE Sensex has surged 2.7% so far in FY23. As regards today, Q3 earnings season, global cues, crude oil prices, and fund flow action will sway the market mood. Companies like Bajaj Finance, Vedanta, Glenmark Life, and Aarti Drugs will report their Q3 numbers on Friday.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views, and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, and LinkedIn.